Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer B2B contacts from ZoomInfo to Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. Log into your ZoomInfo account. Navigate to the contacts section from the main dashboard. Use the search bar to find the B2B contacts you want to transfer. Select the contacts by clicking the checkbox next to each relevant entry. Once your selections are made, locate the export option, usually found in the toolbar. Click on the export option and choose the desired format, typically CSV or Excel. After the export is complete, download the file to your computer. Open your Salesforce account in a new browser window. Go to the App Launcher and select the Contacts tab. Within the Contacts section, click on the Import button. Choose the option to upload a file and select the CSV or Excel file you downloaded from ZoomInfo. Map the fields in your contact file to the corresponding fields in Salesforce. Ensure all required fields are properly mapped. Review the data for any discrepancies and make necessary adjustments. Once everything looks correct, initiate the import process. Wait for the import to complete and confirm that your contacts are successfully added. Check the Contacts section to verify that all information has transferred accurately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.